Penang Search and what they are there with us here. We'll have the
Ito nakapali ba mo niya? Miss
is one of the most powerful drivers of economic growth and social transformation. As Meghalaya strives towards becoming a more vibrant, self-reliant and economically progressive state, the role of skill development cannot be overstated. Every skilled youth represents a stronger workforce, a more productive economy, and a brighter future for our communities. Programs such as these do ensure that our young people are equipped not only to seek employment, but also to create opportunities, strengthen local industries and factories, and become active partners in the development of our state and the nation as a whole. The MSSDS, through dedicated training partners like Greta Solutions, is playing a very pivotal role in translating this vision into reality. By providing quality trainings in trades such as integrated farming system, craft bakery technician and electrician, MSSDS is empowering our youth with practical skills and lead to sustainable livelihoods. Please remember that this is not merely an investment in individuals, but it is an investment in the future of Meghalaya as a whole. Youth become skilled, they become employable. And when they become employable, they become economically independent. And when they become economically independent, they become active contributors to the progress of their families, their communities, and the nation as a whole. Hence, skill development is therefore not just about employment, it is about empowerment. The district administration as a whole remains fully committed in supporting initiatives that promote skill development, entrepreneurship, and sustainable livelihoods. Because we firmly believe that investing in the skills of our youth is one of the most meaningful investments we can make for the future of our state. And lastly, to all my dear trainees, I leave you with this message. Your certificate is not just the destination. It is the beginning of your journey. Continue to learn, embrace innovation, work with integrity, and never stop striving for excellence. Let your skill becomes your identity, your confidence becomes your strength, and your hard work becomes your legacy. Thank you, Mitela and Kubleshu.